Right, let's talk about the merge interval. So you're given an array of intervals, and then you contain a starting and ending point. So you want to merge all overlapping interval, and then basically uh, return a non-overlapping interval. So this is pretty straightforward. So imagine you are given a 2D plane. So this is basically this starting from 1, okay, and then 1 to 3. So 1 to 3, right? And then 2 to 6, 2 to 6, right? And then 8 to 10, 8, and then 10, something like this. And then 15 to 18. So just imagine it's right over here. So basically you need to return this one. So you want to return 1 to 6. Yeah, 1 to 6, right? So this is overlapping 8 to 10, right? 15 to 18, right? So you return 3 interval. So how do you do? This is pretty straightforward. Like basically when you traverse the array, right? And then you want to look at the ending point and starting point, right? And then to check if the ending point is greater than starting point, right? Basically this is overlapping, right? 1 to 3, 2 to 6, right? So ending point is greater than starting point. So you will need to update your ending point comparing to the other one. So you want to find out the maximum between the ending point, the first one, or the ending point for the second one. And this is pretty much it, right? So if they are not overlapping, then you just add, right? Just add to the list. But the problem is what? You need to sort the array based on the first index. So you will be able to know, oh, when they're comparing, this is by order, right? So, alright. So let's start coding. So array.sort interval. And I'm going to just pass in A and B. And I say 0 minus B0, right? Using a lambda expression. So, and I need I need a linked list. I need to store in an array, and then I need to path equal to name linked list, right? And then basically this is pretty much it, right? So at the end you need to return a 2D array, right? 2D array is what? Path, 2 array, and then new int 0, and then bracket. So path is already what? It's already a list. So we don't need to allocate another dimension. So this is one list, and I create another list in Fluencer. Right. So now I need to traverse my interval, right? And then if the path is empty, right? I know I need to add an interval right away, right? This is because for the first interval, right, you need to add to the output no matter what, right? And also what? And also, if the last one does, just imagine if this is in your path, right? 8 and 10. If this is ending, right? The ending is less than the starting. So this is ending for the last one, this is starting for the new one. If this is ending less than starting, you need to add, right? So ending path.get last a 1, which is less than the interval at 0, then I need to just add. Else, basically I need to update the path.get last, the last one in the path, right? So math.max is either the third and last one or the interval. So in this line, it's actually meant this condition. So 1 and 3 is in the path, and then now you are comparing 2 and 6. So 3 is greater than 2. So you're comparing the ending, and then you need to update the latest one. So this is pretty much it. Submit. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. This is going to be what? N log n, n representative of the interval. And this is all of n for the time. So the worst case is the sorting, n log n. And the space should be what? All of n, right? And this is the solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.